Today you will learn how you can see unsubscribed contacts inside Mailchimp. So once you've logged into your Mailchimp account, you want to head over to the left hand side bar right here, scroll down to Audience and then click on All Contacts. Once you do this, you will then be able to see all of your contacts inside your Mailchimp. Now what we need to do first of all is we need to come over to the right hand side, click on Create a New Segment. Now from here what you want to do is click on the drop down menu for Select or Search a Filter. And then you want to scroll down and then click on Email Subscription Status. Once you do this, as you can see, this option right here will need it to be selected on Is One Of. And then you want to click on this drop down menu and then you want to click on Unsubscribed. From here you want to make sure that you go ahead and remove Subscribed. So unsubscribed is the only one left in this right here. Now once we do this, you will then be able to click on Preview Segment. And then once we click on Preview Segment, as you can see, for me personally, there's no contacts which match this selection. But if there is contacts that have unsubscribed from your Mailchimp, what you'll see is any contacts in this section right here. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can see unsubscribed contacts in Mailchimp.